సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి అండ్ ఫర్ మోర్ అప్డేట్స్ బెల్ ఐకాన్ క్లిక్ చేయడం మర్చిపోకండి.
Students, now we are going to discuss VI characteristics of JFET, junction field effect transistor. VI characteristics and also same IV characteristics of JFET. Same question as VI characteristics of FET. So instead of the word JFET, we put the FET. So same questions. First of all, IV characteristics of JFET. There are two types of characteristics of JFET. First one is the drain characteristics. Second one is the transfer characteristics. Drain characteristics are output characteristics. This is the transfer characteristics. So there are two characteristics. First one is the drain characteristics, second one is the transfer characteristics. By the purpose of the discussion of characteristics, first of all we done the experiment. The experimental arrangement is this is the JFET. This is JFET is this is the gate, this is the drain, this is the source. Okay, this JFET is connected to here one resistance is connected to second resistance. Okay, this is the battery for source to drain current. So this current is the drain current. So next of all, this gate source is connected to another battery. This battery is denoted by VGG, this battery is denoted by VDD. So next, the gate and source, this is the gate and source is connected by voltmeter. By the purpose of we have to read the readings in this voltmeter, and the drain and source, between the drain and source we connected the ammeter. We read the readings of how much current is flow of this circuit. Okay, this is also another voltmeter. This voltmeter is the connection between source and drain. This is the experimental arrangement. So first of all we have to done the experiment. So in the readings of VGS and VDS and ID, 2 voltmeters and 1 ammeter. So these readings are recorded in table. So we draw the graph. In the graph we study the characteristics. That characteristics, one of the drain characteristics, that is the output characteristics. Second one is the transfer characteristics. This is the experimental arrangement of IV characteristics of JFET. Drain characteristics. First of all we observe the experiment. this is the gate, this is the drain, this is the source, this is the source, this is the symbol, but junction field effect transistor is this type. Ohmic connections. Symmetric P. This is the N channel JFET. This is the battery. So this is the gate, this is the drain, this is the source. This is the source. First of all, gate and source is in reverse bias. Reverse bias means this is the P type of semiconductor. P type of semiconductor means positive. So this positive is connected to negative. That is the reverse bias. So this is the battery. This battery is denoted by VGG and also VGS. VGG and also VGS. That this is the voltage between VGS. The voltage between gate and source. Next. So this is the reverse bias. This is the interchange of gate and source. So positive connection. So this is the interchange. This battery is denoted by VDD and also VDS, drain source. The voltage between drain and source is the VDS denoted. So first of all, VDS. What is the VDS? VDS increases. If VDS increases, the reverse voltage across the PN junction is increases, and the thickness of depletion layer is also increases, because here voltage is increases. Then voltage is increases, drain current is increases. This is the N type of material. This is the N type of material because this is the N channel JFET. So this is the negative value electrons. These electrons, when voltage is increases and power is increases. So, and also here this is the VGG battery, VGS. So this is the negative, this is the positive. So here these positives coming towards this type, this electrons coming towards. So the positive and the negative is the neutral. So here depletion layer is N large. N large. That means depletion layer also increases. And the same way here voltage is increases, power is also increases. Because voltage is directly proportional to current. If voltage is increases, current is increases. So here this is the positive, this is the N type of material means negative. So that positive and negative is neutral, attraction and neutral. So here depletion layer is increases. Because some electrons are attracted by positive. So this is the depletion layer. So this is the depletion layer. So when some case, what is the case here, VDS increases, the reverse voltage across the PN junction increases and the thickness of the depletion region also increases. That is the first one. Next one, the graph relation between, because here this is the voltmeter VGS, this is the voltmeter VDS, this is the ammeter. So these readings are noted on the some sheet. So we taken that values, we draw the graph relation between ID, drain current, and VDS, that is the VDS. So this voltage, between this voltage and this current produce the some graph relation. That graph relation is called as characteristics. So here some conditions. VDS is increased from 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So VDS increased from 0 to 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this, if this is increased and drain current increases. So that region VDS is 0 to VDS is 0 to VP. VP means pinched off voltage. So here depletion layer is increases. So if any increases, this is the n large, 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 this is the increases, this is the increases. So if VDS is increases, depletion layer is also increase, and here voltage is pinched off, that is the VP. So here the region VDS increases, ID is increases, and also VDS is 0 to, this increases 0 to 1, 2, 3 and 4 and so on. So VDS is 0 to VDS equals to VP, that means pinched voltage, is called ohmic region. So in this region, JFET acts as voltage variable resistor, the voltage dependent resistor, because that, so this current depends upon this voltage, so this is the voltage variable resistor. And the second condition, VDS equals to VP. So this voltage is equals to pinched voltage. ID becomes maximum. If this is equals to VP, so ID is the maximum. When VDS increased beyond VP, the length of pinched off, this is the saturation region, there is no further increase of ID. At the saturation region, the power is not increased. At a certain voltage corresponding to the point, the suddenly increases, that is the breakdown voltage. So first of all, we draw the graph. In this graph, ID is taken on y-axis, VDS is taken on x-axis. First of all, these values are taken from ammeter on the experimental arrangement. These values are taken from voltmeter in experiment. So this is the overall graph. This is the drain characteristics. This is the drain characteristics. This is the pinched up voltage. This is the pinched up voltage. So this region, this region is the pinch off region. This is the pinch off region. This is also saturation region. This is also saturation region. This region is called as ohmic region. This region is called as ohmic region. First one is the, if VDS, EDS means voltage between drain and source, is increased from 0. These values are VDS. 0 to some 1, 2, 3 and 4 and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 volts, 1 volts, 2 volts, 3 volts, 4 volts, 5 volts, 6 volts, this type. So minus 1 volts, minus 2 volts, minus 3 volts, minus 4 volts, minus 5 volts, minus 6 volts, and so on, these types. So if VDS is increased from 0, that means increased from 0 means VDS is greater than 0, okay. So in this condition, ID increases linearly along P. This is the point P. This is the OP. This region, VDS is 0 to VDS is equals to VP. So this is the VP. So the value of voltage between drain and source is equals to pinched off voltage. So this is the VP and also this is the VDS. This value is called as pinched off region. This is the pinched off region. So in this region, the voltage variable with resistor, and also is called as the voltage dependent resistor. This is the saturation region. This is the not saturation region. This is the ohmic region. And the second one, if VDS, the voltage between drain and source, is equals to pinched off voltage, so this condition is fulfilled, ID is maximum. This ID is maximum. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if VDS is equals to VP, that means voltage between drain and source is equals to pinched off voltage, then current is maximum. The drain current is maximum. When VDS is increased, when VDS is increased beyond VP, that means pinched off voltage, the length of pinch off is called as saturation region. So the drain and source voltage increasing. This is the increasing. So this region is ohmic region. This region is saturation region. That is the pinched off region. Okay, pinched off this region. This region is called as pinched off region and also saturation region. Mainly there is no further increase of ID in the saturation region. Okay, next step on. Next, at a certain voltage corresponding to the point B, ID is suddenly increased. So this is the increasing. This is the increasing flat, suddenly increase. This is the increasing plot, suddenly increase. This is the increasing plot, suddenly increase. This is also increasing plot, suddenly increase. So suddenly increasing region is the breakdown region. This is the breakdown region. That means at a certain voltage corresponding to the point B, ID suddenly increases. The drain current is suddenly increases. So this region is called as breakdown region. That is called as V voltage DGO. So this is denoted by VDGO. Okay, next, drain current ID. The drain current ID is controlled by the reverse bias voltage applied to gate. Thus this device has been given the name field effect transistor, because electric field, this device is controlled by voltage, and also this device is affected by electric field. So this device is called as field effect transistor. So the region of operations. So in the first region, this is the first region. In the first region, ID is directly proportional to VDS. So the voltage between drain and source is increasing, I is increasing, then I is increasing, VDS is increasing. So this is the ohmic region. This is the property of resistor. So in this region, the JFET is called as voltage variable resistor, and also voltage dependent resistor, because this equation is current is directly proportional to voltage is directly proportional to current. This increases, then this increases. If this increase, then this increase. So this is the property of resistor. So this region JFET is called as voltage variable resistor, voltage dependent resistor. Okay, next of all, region, saturation region and also pinched off region. When VDS is greater than VP and also VDS equals to VP. So it acts as constant current. So this is the constant current, this is the constant current, this is the constant current, this is the constant current. Straight line. So this is the constant current. It is also known as linear saturation. And also pinched off region Next, cutoff region. Cutoff region means here VGS is greater than VP. So here the voltage between gate and source, gate and source. So this is the gate and source, this is the voltage. So the voltage between gate and source is greater than Vp, then id equals to 0. So at this point id equals to 0, and also VGS is greater than Vp. This device turn off. It is also called as cutoff region. Then finally breakdown region. Breakdown region means voltage suddenly increased at very high value of VDS, so this is the high value of VDS, so the breakdown occurs. This maximum value of VDS can be specified the graph sheets. So totally this is the drain characteristics and also output characteristics. Then output characteristics is the first one is the ohmic region, second one is the pinched of that is the saturation also region. So third one is the cutoff region, fourth one is the breakdown region. Cutoff region is the at id is the 0, so this is the drain characteristics and also output characteristics. Another characteristics, transfer characteristics. The transfer characteristics produced by the help of the drain characteristics. These are drain characteristics. With the help of drain characteristics we can also find the transfer characteristics. So show the relation between id and VGS. Here VGS. So id is taken along y axis, VGS along the x axis, and VGS 0 volts and VGS 0 volts, the drain current is maximum. So and VGS is 0, here VGS is 0, the drain current is, this is the maximum. So the graph between drain current and voltage between gate and source, that graph produces the transfer characteristics. The graph from the drain current as a function of the gate voltage is called the transconductance curve. This is the transconductance curve. So first of all, this is the 1, this is the 2, this is the 3, this is the 4. 1 volts, 2 volts, 3 volts, 4 volts. 1 volts, 3 volts, 4 volts in the negative values. So first of all, this is the voltage. So first of all, here voltage 0 volts, this is the 1 volts, this is the 2 volts, this is the 3 volts, and also minus volts. Okay, here. So this is the constant voltage, this is the constant voltage, this is the constant voltage, and also this is the constant current, this is the constant current, this is the constant current, this is the constant current. So first of all, at VGS is 0, at voltage VGS is 0, the drain current is maximum. And second one, 1 volts. So this is the point. Second 2 volts, this is the point. Next step, 3 volts, this is the point. So this is the transfer characteristics. That's all. This is the transfer characteristics. ID is taken along y-axis, VGS is taken and x-axis. When VGS is 0, ID is maximum. ID maximum. Then VGS is increased. Then width of the region is increases. VGS is increased. Is the minus values. So width increasing. Width is increasing. The drain current also decreases. So decreases. This drain current is maximum. Here maximum, it's minimum. Drain current is decreases when VGS in the negative value of increasing. In the negative value of, at one particular voltage, VGS is the channel width is said to be completely reduced. It's at this time completely reduced, and that voltage is called as pinched off voltage. Here this is the 4 volts, this is the 5 volts, this is the 6 volts. At the 6 volts, completely reduced voltage. So this voltage is called as here pinched off voltage. Here the drain current becomes equals to 0. The drain current becomes equals to 0. Okay, this is the transfer characteristics, and also mainly the transfer characteristics the transfer characteristics from Shockley's equation. Transfer characteristics produced from Shockley's equation. That equation is called VD equals to ID, the drain current, IDSS, saturation, the current between drain and source, 1 minus VGS upon VP and whole square. This is the Shockley's equation. This equation can be written as ID upon IDSS equals to 1 minus VGS upon VP whole square. So this equation can be written as 1 minus VGS upon VP equals to under root ID upon IDSS. So this equation also can be written as VGS equals to VP into 1 minus under root ID upon IDSS. So these all equations are called as Shockley's equation. From this equation we draw the transfer characteristics.